All right, so I have a mystery on my hands today that I'm hoping to solve here in this video. I'm sure we will be able to, but last week I got an email from DHL that said that there was a package on the way from Switzerland. It was actually shipped by Watchinista. I have no clue what is in this package. It just showed up today, and I went through my emails and I thought maybe there was a brand that had sent them a watch first and then they were passing it on to me. But I've gone through the emails, looked at the tracking numbers and the different communications, and everything seems to be accounted for. So really intrigued to see what is inside the package. We're going to do a triple unboxing. I actually had two other watches show up today. One pretty cool new Canadian micro brand, as well as an affordable Casio that I picked up on Amazon. It's a newish release that came out, I think, last year. So let's get to it and check out the watches. Okay, so here we go. Especially, again, looking forward to seeing what is up with this one, but we're going to save that for last. And what we are going to start off with, I think, is this package. You can see the company name here, Redwood. Just going to tear into it here. Had my Spyderco ready, but these are all manageable without a knife, I think. Diver's watch, 200 meters, tactical version 2, it says here. Got a little dust on the table. Interesting. Kind of a military-esque packaging they have happening. And what all do we have in here before we get to the watch? Redwood Watches. These guys are out of Quebec, Canada. 2-year warranty. Manual. Interesting thing about this company, and we'll get to that in a second, but here is the watch. So pretty cool travel pouch. And really cool looking watch here too. So again, this is the Redwood Tactical version 2. This is the black. There's a few different versions of this watch, some different color options. Got drilled lugs there, but what's kind of neat is you actually have the option between automatic and a solar movement, which you don't see very often. Bezel action, not too bad at all. From pictures, I think the lume is going to be quite good on this, but we'll check out that again in the follow-up video. Nice looking watch. Got signed hardware there. Let's take a look on wrist. And here it is on wrist. Very cool. Very tooly watch. Great pricing too. I think these are under, not sure how much they are in USD, but I believe they're under 400 for the automatic in Canadian. So that would be low to mid threes, I think, US dollars. But I am liking it a whole lot. Nice coin edge bezel there. They also have a fully loomed dial that looks cool too. So yeah, looking forward to some wrist time, and I'll be doing a full video on this soon. Let's move over and take a look at the Casio. And speaking of Casio, wearing the square today, the matte black. Loving this watch. So I was doing a little bit of shopping. I had to pick up a couple of bits of gear actually for the channel. And almost every time I'm on Amazon, I just give it a quick search. Casio, maybe Timex, see if there's something interesting. And this watch came up on the radar last year for me. Didn't end up pulling the trigger, but it had to be done this time. Move that stuff out of the way. There you can see the price. That also is in Canadian dollars. Pull the plastic off. And there it is. Love the blue strap. Zoom in a little bit here. Got some blue accents on the dial there too. Nice looking watch for $40 Canadian dollars. It's actually a good size too. Some of the Casios tend to be maybe a little bit small for me. This is like a perfect size actually. Here, let me get you the model number. WS1400H38 VCF. Cool watch for sure. Got a lot of the basic functions we sort of expect from Casio. This has a lot of running features, which we'll talk about in a future video. Cool. Love the colors. Let's take a look on wrist. And here it is on wrist. I think this looks awesome. There is 4 versions of this watch, but this one with the blue accents definitely spoke to me the most. Yep, really looking forward to this. But we're going to just go quickly through these watches because I really want to get to that last package. So let's check it out. All right, I've been really looking forward to this one. I've been talking to my wife about it, kind of wondering what it might be, talking to a couple of friends of mine and speculating, but I have no idea. But we're about to find out. I think it's a watch. Aha! Precedus. I did have a discussion with the owner of this company. Ooh. Not too long ago, and I'd forgotten. How cool is that bracelet? Very cool. I'll have to double check what the model number, or what model this is, the exact model, because there's actually 2 different watches from them. This is the A11 Type 44. According to the tag here. Yeah, I've been really looking forward to getting hands-on with this one. I can't believe that I forgot. Didn't know it was going to be coming from Watchinista, so that was a bit of a surprise that threw me off. Very cool. Get it running here. Nice clean looking watch. Get in for a closer look at the dial here. Ooh, look at the bezel. Nice. Let's take a look on wrist. And here it is on my 7 1/4 inch wrist. And take a look at that bracelet. This thing is so comfortable and lightweight. Look at the domed crystal too. Very cool. So there you go. Mystery is solved. It was a Praesidus watch all along. Really appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for more content just like this, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.